Hello, my little friends. Welcome to Toddlo English. I'm very happy to see you today. How are you? Are you happy? Well, my dears, today we are going to learn numbers and we will play fun games too. Are you ready? Let's go. Look here. What is number? This is 1. This is number 1. This is 2. This is 2. This is 3. This is 3. This is 4. This is 4. This is 5. This is 5. You are so smart. Let's say them together, okay, my dears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, my dears, you are so smart. Let's say them together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, excellent. Now let's learn more numbers, okay? This is 6. This is 6. This is 7. This is 7. This is 8. This is 8. This is 9. This is 9. This is 10. This is 10. And we have 10 cars. Well, my dears, very good, excellent. And now I have a very short and silly game. Do you want to play it with me? Well, when you see number 7, you must touch your head. Haha, yeah, your head. And when you see number 8, you touch your nose. Yeah, haha, nose. Is it very interesting? Am I right, my dears? Well, good job. Now big numbers: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you say 15? Yeah, 15. Very good, excellent. Now I have a game, very short game. Do you want to play it? Well, let's count: 11, 12, 13, 14. Oops, what comes next? What do you think? It is 15. Well, you got it. Amazing. The next number is 16. Yeah, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, 20. That's a big number. Am I right, my dears? Well, I think you have learned all of the numbers today. Do you want to sing together with me? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, come with me. 4, 5, 6, let's do tricks. 7, 8, 9, you are doing fine. 10, 11, 12, clap for yourself. 13, 14, 15, best kids I have ever seen. 16, 17, 18, keep your smile nice and clean. 19, 20, learning is funny. Of course, we study English. Haha, wonderful, my dears. Now we will play math game together, okay? Look, 2 plus 3, how much? What do you think? 2 plus 3. You are right, my dear. The answer is 5. Yeah, very good. Good job. Okay, my dear. Now we will put them. Well, my dears, we will play very interesting game with you. Okay, well, my dears, now we'll play very interesting game with you. Okay, my dears, what challenge? Now, can you find 10? Where is 10? 10, where is? Oh, there are 10. This is 10 number where I can put here. I must put. Well, next number, where is 8? 8. Where is this? Is 18, 13, 16. Oh, this is 8. 8. Well, where is 3? 3. Can you find 3? Oh, this is 3. Well done. Can you find number 1? Oh, it's very easy. This is number number 1. The next is, where is 20? Oh, this is 20. Very good. The next is 13. 13. Well, my dears, we did it very good. And now do 1. Wow, you are number champions. Today we learned together number 1 to 20. Counting numbers, fun games. You did an amazing job. Give yourself a big clap. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for learning with Toddlo English. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Toddlo English, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye, my little friends.